Are you trying to lower your cholesterol, but not sure which oils are actually good for your heart? Most people focus on food, but the oil you cook with can make or break your cholesterol levels. Let's break down heart-friendly oils that support your heart without compromising flavor. Why cholesterol matters. Cholesterol isn't all bad. It's essential for producing hormones, building cells, and making vitamin D. But too much of it, especially LDL, can clog your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious problems. That's where smart oil choices come in. Extra virgin olive oil, packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it helps raise HDL and lower LDL. It fights inflammation and boosts your good cholesterol. Best for salad dressings, dips, and light sautéing. Avocado oil, high in healthy fats and vitamin E. Think of it as a superhero for your heart. It lowers bad cholesterol and reduces inflammation. Its high smoke point makes it perfect for frying or grilling, allowing you to enjoy crispy dishes without compromising your health. Flaxseed oil, rich in omega-3s. This oil supports heart health and cholesterol metabolism. But don't cook with it. Use it cold on salads or after dishes are done. Walnut oil, loaded with omega-3s and antioxidants like ellagic acid. Perfect for dressings and cold dips. Walnut oil has a rich, nutty flavor that can elevate your salads or pasta dishes. Canola oil, low in saturated fat, high in omega-3s. It's a versatile choice for baking, sautéing, grilling, and easy on the wallet too. Sesame oil. This flavorful oil has powerful antioxidants like sesamol and sesamin, which can protect LDL from damage. Great in stir fries or as a finishing oil in sauces and hummus. Coconut oil, a bit controversial. It raises HDL, the good cholesterol, but can also raise LDL. Use it moderately, for baking or high-heat cooking, without overdoing it. However, it's crucial to balance its use with other, more heart-friendly oils since its saturated fat content can be a double-edged sword. Moderation is essential. Use it as a flavorful accent rather than a primary cooking oil. Peanut oil, high in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E. Studies show it can lower total and LDL cholesterol without hurting the good kind. Ideal for stir-frying and grilling. How much is too much? Healthy oils are still fats and calorie-dense. Stick to about 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, per meal. Going overboard can lead to weight gain, digestive issues, or allergies, especially with nut-based oils. Takeaway. Switching to the right oil might seem like a small change, but it can make a massive difference in your heart health. Combine these oils with a balanced diet, and you'll be on your way to better cholesterol and a stronger heart. So which of these oils do you use the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, share this video with someone who needs it. Stay healthy and stay happy.